Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to do this here induction stove. It's 6 pounds, 8.0 ounces as it sits. It's mainly glass and plastic. We're going to take it apart and see if there's anything good in it. See if anything we can scrap and make any money on. So stay tuned and let's get it done. It's a little heavy, but I figure the glass is what's heavy on it. I know that you gotta have metal pots for for it to work. So I'm not sure if there's copper in these or aluminum or what. I've never had none of these apart. We can get this one apart and see what we got. I doubt there's much to it. Maybe a computer board. Said a lot of glass. So if it'll come apart now. That's a nice chunk of copper if it's copper. Let's see. Cut this off and we'll pull it apart and see what we got here. And that is copper. I see some nice toroids in here. So this might turn out to be a nice little scrap here. Get this board off here, see what kind of board we got. Sure been a warm one here. Really warm. It's a neat little board. Say maybe a low-grade peripheral. Like I said, we got this big chunk of glass here. That looks to be metal there. Not magnetic. Might be stainless. Let's do the spark test. It's stainless. Lots of toroids on this. Not sure what the little blue boxes are for. Get that off there. There's a fan. See what's underneath this here aluminum heatsink. I guess we'll have to get it all the way off. And some plastic. Got more screws for that. Just a couple copper of those. A nice clean piece of aluminum. Get these off. And we'll get that chip off. See, there's two chips I can get off. Get these off. These nice big chunky things off. My little here. See what's under one of these. Yep, they're sealed. It's a capacitor. These are capacitors. So the rest of that, take this off. And them, they may be brass. We'll check them. The rest of this is low grade board. So we'll go through. I'll clean up these toroids and these and get the copper off this, and we'll get the motor part, and we'll get the stuff cleaned up, and when we come back we'll weigh it up and see what we get. So stay tuned. Okay, scrapper people, we're back, and for our stainless steel we have 3.6 ounces of stainless steel. For our brass, we have 0.3 ounces of brass, clean yellow brass. For our IC chips, they won't weigh anything, but like I've said before, they will add up eventually. Zero this. For our seal, which wasn't a whole lot, was 10.2 ounces of steel. Our insulated copper wire is 3.6 ounces of insulated copper wire. The aluminum heatsink is 3.9 ounces. The low grade board weighs 7.3 ounces. I'm going to call this a low grade peripheral. I may be wrong. It's got shellac. Let's just call this a mid-grade board. So the mid-grade board is 3.2 ounces, a mid-grade board. It's got a lot of shellac on it. Nothing on the back. Our motor is 2.0 ounces exact. And what everybody has been waiting on, this nice copper. I do believe the copper may be the winner here. And it is 11.5 ounces of copper. So not bad. I wasn't expecting all this out of that little induction stove, but that was a nice find right there. So if you see them, grab them. That didn't take long, and that peeled right off. It's easy to take off and quick to do. So hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and do a thumbs up. And I'm going to keep them coming, and we'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.